Yeah.
Living life.
Right.
Living it right.
Vacationing.
Yeah.
We're vacationing.
Got some steaks burning on open fire.
I'm gonna act like Tyler. This is what he does when he's shed hunting.
Resting. He does two things at once. Got a twig fire going. Nice little meat platter on a fir brow over here. Back straps and tenderloin.
Yep.
We got our little carcass dump over there. We're gonna pile up on a bunch of sticks so Chris and Max could still hunt in the area.
We got a couple tarsal glands right here.
Tarsals.
Cooking.
The hide rolled up on the skull on the backpack. Those 3 bags right there have the entire deer in them. Took us probably hour and 45 minutes, 2 hours to take the whole thing apart and get to the point where we're relaxing and drinking beers and screwdrivers and
Wow. Some good meat.
eating meat, having apples.
Having apples.
Wow.
Applesauce.
That tenderloin is really good. Oh, wait until you try that.
Well, enough of this filming shit. Time for me to get a piece of meat on a stick.